Hello, Charmer! I'm so happy to see this! Hi guys, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to unbox my first Boxy Charm box! Yay! So if you know me from some time, you know that I live in the Europe and I cannot take this great beauty box. But I was getting a shipping forwarding services. So basically what this does is that it gives you a US address, and from that address, that shipping service will redirect the package to you. Now, it took in forever to ship to me, and I think you might have already seen by this time the January Boxy Charm, but as this is my first Boxy Charm, I cannot wait, and I was so excited to share what I've got on my first Boxy Charm beauty box. So I was using one shipping service company for the month of January, and I only took one box. So this is the base box. However, for February, I was changing. I got another shipping services. I was just testing and I did wrong. I'm not going to go on the details right now because I don't want to make this video too long, and probably I will do a separate video rating and sharing with you my experience that I had with the shipping company that provides those kind of services from the US to the worldwide. And the shipping forwarding was adding in top like $18 more, so it's almost double than the price that you pay for this. But let's see what we have inside. So I've already sterilized outside the packaging, and now inside there are 5 products. I'm gonna start with the heaviest one. I don't know what is here, but it sounds like it's broken. Oh no, it has some beads inside. What is this? So this is by the Lifestyle & Co, and this is the Reset Mist. I don't think that I have seen anyone getting this. Indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the Rest Mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep, and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. And the recommended retail price is $36. So this pays for the box and partially for the shipping. Okay, so it should be lavender scented. It's really beautiful scented. So loving this. I have some this work pillow sprays that I've got on different subscriptions, but this one smells even nicer and better. So okay, this is my first product. The second one, I wanted so much to get this one. You cannot believe me. I got the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. I cannot believe this is one thing that I wanted to get. So, how much? An oil-free, daily silicone-free moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce the shine. And the price is $38. Oh my god, you guys, I wanted this so badly. I know they had some variations. You could either get the toner or the cream, but I wanted the cream and I'm happy to get it. I'm not going to open it. I just want to see how the jar looks like. That's fantastic. And I remember that Bethany from One Busy Mama, she got this cream like in all her beauty boxes, plus she also got add-ons and got it from sales on Sephora. So as much she loves this cream, so I had really good things and I'm really happy to try it. The third product, unfortunately, is not the palette that I was expecting to get. I was expecting to get the Violet Voss, but I got the Seattle London. I'm Not sure at this moment if I'm going to keep it, but let's see it. I just loved the color story that the Violet Voss palette has. Know that there is something wrong with this palette, besides the fact that I cannot open it. The fourth product is by Queen Dragon Duo. What is this? Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. And this retails, guys, for $28. So this is the pencil that I was expecting to get, and for a reason that I don't have my eyeliner. So I'm going to try this probably out of camera. Okay, so this is a felt tip. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's so pigmented and I see that it's flexible, so I think we might get along. And this is the black liner. Oh my god, this is so creamy, so I'm really excited for that. And the last product, wow, I got everything I had beside the palette. So yeah, I've got the Dr. Brand DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I just finished my morning eye cream. Helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles and puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. And this retails $82. So this pays for the box, shipping and 2 times more. Oh my god, guys, I'm so overwhelmed. I cannot believe that I got so big value for the box. So right now I should tell you that it's worth it to get this box from the US and paying shipping forwarder and taxes and everything. It's worth it. And for February I've also upgraded. I got the premium box and they will be shipped to me, and probably next week I'm going to show you, because I'm going to choose an expedite shipping. I will not wait for 1 month to receive all the boxes, because I have a lot of stuff to show you on my upcoming videos, guys. So I'm really excited. Now let me just show you this cream, and I hope it will do wonders. It's just a whitish kind of cream, and has a I think the smell, the fragrance that I feel is from the lavender that I just sprayed from the toner. So yeah, guys, what I've got on my first BoxyCharm box. So I've got the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, the Dr. Brand Triple Peptide Eye Cream, which is the most pricey item from the box, the Lifestyle Co. Rest Mist, that is really nice, the Ciate London, the Velvet Palette, and the eyeliner Dragon Duo liner. So I'm going to try those out camera, and I will come back with the final look. Okay guys, so this is how the liner looks. I won't gonna lie you that I would prefer to have a brush applicator. However, the pigmentation is really rich and it's not too difficult to use it, so I managed to do my wing line in no time. And this is the Ciate London Velvet Palette that I know for sure you know how it looks like. And I don't know, guys, I might keep it. I think she's really pretty. To be honest, I was not expecting her to be so pretty, so I think we might get along together. Love it. I will do a total up of the value of the products from the box, and I will pop it on the screen right now. But this is all for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye you guys! Mwah! Okay.